post from Bayrock Financial. We're going to do the January market update in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's go live. So I wanted to do market outlook, market update weekly. So it's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week, and I thought I would go live. It's a little chilly still here in Texas. So anyway, I posted this to Bayrock Financial. That is the post you're looking at there. And I wanted to just kind of highlight a few things in the January update. There's so much going on in the market. Really, last year, 2023, was a remarkable year with lots of interesting things happening, and we will see some interesting things happening this year as well. So I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up that I am posting this on my new YouTube channel. It's my personal YouTube channel at Jim Munchback. Munchback has an H on the end. So if you haven't subscribed, and if you want to get these weekly updates, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell and you'll get notified. By the way, I am Jim Munchback, founder and CEO of Bayrock Financial. And like I said, this is a kind of a new series, how to invest in 2024. So we're going to be doing a lot of training this year. And I've started to post some training videos for folks I've got a lot of friends and people that I'm connected with who are do-it-yourself investors, and they reach out to me every once in a while for some help and suggestions. And so I thought if I could get that fly, I would kill it. I thought that I would do a series and just share some of my techniques, some of my strategies, not just for Bayrock clients, but for others who are speaking to me every once in a while about how to invest. So that's what this is. It's educational. I should hit my disclaimer, but I'm not going to at the moment. I am going to turn on some music, though, because I have this cool music that makes the videos better, I think, I hope. So back to the script. So you can check this out. The link to this post is in the video. And I'm posting this to LinkedIn. I'm posting it to my friends on Facebook, Twitter, where else? All of my YouTube pages. Many of my pages on YouTube are going to go away. But I wanted to establish this new YouTube channel first. So it's Jim Munchback. This channel. This video, follow me, like the video, and then there's a YouTube playlist. It's called uninvested. The link to that playlist is right here in the post. So right now it just has one video. You can see that one award right there. That will be 2 of 2. As soon as I finish this live stream, I'm going to save it to the playlist, and that's how it's going to work. So anyway, excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. There's a lot of cool little pieces of information in this post that I think you will enjoy reading. And if you want to understand what's happening in the market now, and especially if you want to understand what happened in 2023, then this series will be for you. I'll be posting a lot of information that is just there for you to read and consume, understand. But as you look at the headers in this post, you'll see a very clear correlation to what I shared in my last post and the research library that I'm building. Let's see if I can find that. This research library on my wiki. This is wealthcarewiki.com, which is not for public consumption. It is just a place that I post my research. But you'll see that there's lots of information that I'm working on, that I'm researching, that I'm putting together, and they will end up in a post and in a video. And this is where it will be. It will be at bayrockfinancial.com, and you can search just market outlook, or January market outlook in this case, in the post. So that's it for this video. I hope you'll check out this series, and what I'm really trying to do is create a community of folks who are interested in investing and learn how to invest, becoming better investors. As a registered investment advisory firm, Bayrock is we're an independent fiduciary firm, which means we don't charge any commission, and I think we have about the best price of it.
Financial planning is different for everyone, 100%. Whether you're a self-starter, wanting to do it on your own, or if you need help, it's all about the client. That was something that I really liked about TD Ameritrade. So when I got the news that we were bought by Schwab, it was just like, oh, what does this mean for our clients?
I hate change, so I'm thinking, what? I have to change everything? Is this gonna be a lot of work?
Because it's a very personal thing. People get crazy about their money.
I can remember my mom sitting at the kitchen counter, and she had her checkbook in front of her, and she had all the bills. And I just remember her crying. There was something deep inside me that kind of welled up like, I want to do whatever I can to have a secure financial future for our children. And neither my husband nor myself really knew how to do that.
I've always been a saver. Being in my own business as a still photographer, you really learn to manage your finances, because who's going to care about your investments and your future more than you?
TD Ameritrade to Schwab.
There was definitely a little bit of heartburn at first.
I was impressed with just how reliable and custom the service was.
That's in large part because the average tenure of a financial consultant at Schwab is over 12 years. That's insane. That's 12 years of building trust with a client.
That's huge for us.
Another big concern, the Thinkorswim trading platform. It's definitely the crown jewel of TD Ameritrade.
The speed in which an individual investor can trade. How is it so fast?
Schwab was very hot off the press to say that's not going anywhere.
By merging the two companies, it continues to keep costs down for investors and gives us great technology. Win-win.
When it came to trading at TD Ameritrade, that's where our bread and butter was. But in our financial planning, there were a lot of gaps. These are things that Schwab understood and helped with. No matter where you're at as a client, Schwab has solutions for you, and now I can say we have solutions for you. There's no other firm out there that can be everything that a client really needs and make sure that the client has a great experience through all of it.
TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab.
Together,
I really do think we're going to be unstoppable.
I know that Schwab will help us get from where we are to where we want to be.
great tech, great service. Now it's one company.
One place, and it's Charles Schwab.
This is the reason we invest with Charles Schwab.
I'm a customer. Customer for life.
And I am a customer for life as well, and I love Schwab, which is why I played that commercial again. I love the opportunity to work with Schwab. It's something that, it means a lot to me to be able to work with Schwab. I don't have a boss at Schwab. Charles Schwab is just a custodian, but at Bayrock Financial, it's very important for my client. It's very important for me as a customer of Schwab. So I just wanted to play that video with you. I've got a couple of really cool hacks that I kind of integrated. So this market update, and it's just going to be now. Check it out. Information. When I talk about what's happening in the markets, something accurate. Financial. I can show you how to ask anything. You click on that, it should take you to my calendar, or you can just grab a slot and book an appointment with me. And it's not a very full calendar this month so far. So that's one of the things I wanted to share with you in this video, in this update. There's also We have a free financial planning portal with Right Capital, which is a fantastic tool to help you create a financial plan. But you have to reach out to me to get a link to that, because I used to post the link to the actual portal here on the website, and I got hammered with bots. So hundreds of new accounts from people who try to mute so we don't get feedback. So that's it. Going live is a lot of fun. I'm getting used to it. I'm learning how to do it. I'm going to try to become more prepared for these posts, but I wanted to get a couple of things posted in the I wanted to get a few things posted in the playlist. And so again, when you jump into this playlist right now, there's just one video there, how to invest in 2024. I'm going to be posting a lot of educational content there. And I'm going to also be posting my weekly market updates there. So hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment. And don't forget, subscribe to my new YouTube channel if you want to get notified. Hit that little bell, and I will pester you all the time, every time I post a video. So if you're not on YouTube, my mom loves to watch my videos, but she never likes my videos because she doesn't have a YouTube account. So obviously you have to have a YouTube account to be able to like it. If you're on Facebook, please do that. And especially if you're connected with me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is my favorite platform, and I hope you'll appreciate the fact that I'm sending you emails, testing you in messages, and posting these videos on LinkedIn Live. I hope you'll like and share them, comment, because you know how it works. If there's no activity on these platforms, nobody sees them. So I hope it's helpful, and it's going to get more helpful we move forward into 2024. Sure, it's really helpful things I believe for how to invest in 2024. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Thank you very much for sharing. I'll see you in the next video. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and count down and then hit the finish button as soon as we get to